Okay, so let's take a look what happens when we try to run this program. So I'm going to highlight this all the way down. Control C, or you can copy however you copy to the clipboard typically. And then I'm going to open up, let's see, open up idle, but I'm going to go to File, New. That'll give me a new file. I'm going to paste that. Again, you can Control V, Command V on a Mac, right click and copy. So I should have the entire program here. You should not need to adjust this at all in order to run the program. You go to Run, Run Module, OK. And what should happen, you save it just with anything. What should happen is it should immediately put you into the quiz, and then it'll say true or false. So return to continue. I'll get question one, true and true. That is true, and means both have to be true. And again, Hannah's videos go over these really nicely. False and true would be false, so I'll put F. And then you're going to keep going until you get to the score at the very end. That's what you're going to take the screenshot of. If you're not seeing this run, or if you're getting a syntax error, make sure you're in Python 3 first of all. Python 2 will create an error. If you are in Python 3, maybe send me a screenshot or a video or something like that so I can try to figure out what's going on.